Hello, I'm the lone chronicler of the zombie apocalypse of the early 2000s. I'm here today to tell you about two men who banded together in order to find the quadratic equation and formula that would find the cure for the zombie apocalypse. My name is John Paul Check. These two men were Earl, a common gas station owner, who spends his life living the life of a common man. The other one is Tyrone Japodalis, a gangster who survived the zombie apocalypse by injecting any zombie that came within gun range with 80 rounds of lead. I hope that my chroniclings can serve as a warning to you who may recover this chronicle. I'd like to introduce you to our two heroes, Tyrone Japodalis and Earl.
What do you want?
After Tyrone and Earl had met, the two had heated debates over what their course of action should be, so that they may survive the zombie apocalypse. The two decided that they would need the formula for the quadratic function, which would help them find the cure for the zombie apocalypse, and they would be able to cure their fellow man of their zombie-ridden diseases, and once again restore the world to its former sanity and glory.
Yo, man, we're beginning to group out them zombies. I don't know, but everything is made in China, so let's go there.
And then,
they had to run, and they were like, what did happen? Because they would have played their zombies, and they ran again. So they grabbed the ocean, and they see the news,
in the name of Allah, who goes there?
Yo, this is Tyrone. You better not forget it. We're on a quest to get the quadratic function. We crashed in from a plane. We were going to China.
It's simple. X equals negative b plus or minus.
Hey, wait a minute. Ain't you that fella from the television?
Maybe.
Oh my God, it's Osama. Let's get him.
After the two had double killed Osama, they were stranded in the ocean. While they battled with starvation and dehydration, the two drifted in the tides for an agonizing 7 minutes.
I'm hungry. Let's get something to eat.
I am too, fella. But maybe it wasn't the best thing to kill the man that basically gave us the cure.
True, but it was Osama. And besides, we know it's x equals negative b plus or minus, or something like that.
Hitler suddenly appeared. What are you doing? You are being fools for being out during the zombie apocalypse.
Shut up, fool. I tell you, you're the business. Shut up. Right, we searching for the quadratic formula to come to the zombie apocalypse, fool.
Ha! The quadratic formula is the lesser way to solve quadratics. I only stand for completing the square. All my efforts are on destroying quadratic formula, so that the world will be one for completing the square. I'm starting the quadratic formula holocaust.
I don't know about that, Earl. He seems pretty tricky to me. We ought to bust a cap in his ugly mustache face.
No, Tyrone, we can't do that.
No, we can't do that, but I can.
Tyrone, promptly pumped 60 rounds of lead into Hitler's sorry body.
Well, there you go, fool. Tyrone Japodalis liberated the world from two
The two strolled throughout the pleasant Norman countryside, while beautiful, serene music played in the background. After a while, they ran into an old Frenchman in his fields, tending to his livestock and milking his chickens.
Crazy old man, what you doing?
I am milking the chickens. What do you want? If you stay around too long, the zombies will come.
We're looking for the quadratic formula to cure the zombie disease.
Ah, yes, I remember the formula quadratic. It looks like a fraction, and on the bottom is to add. Oh no, the zombies!
The putrid horde of zombies quickly and grotesquely ate the Frenchman. Mid-sentence, as the two continued south, they stumbled into the beautiful, romantic city of Paris. They went to the Louvre Museum, where they searched for the answer. Walking through its beautiful hallways, they stumbled upon the Mona Lisa.
Say, that picture's been around for a while. Maybe it knows the quadratic formula.
All right, let's go. What you know, painting lady? Huh? Speak up. Yo, Earl, she ain't talking. Let me try some interrogation methods.
Oh, I'm glad to see you've come back. Well, Tyrone, he gave the Mona Lisa a thorough beating, and you'd think it would have given him the answer. However, it didn't. So he resolved to shoot the Mona Lisa. The two meandered about the European continent, looking for the answer and constantly hiding under the threat of zombies. While traversing the mountainous terrain of northern Greece, they ran into Derek Road.
Tyrone, is that you?
Sure is. You want to know the quadratic formula, would you?
No, but I have the discriminant. Square root of b squared minus 4ac.
Well, thank you, partner.
Anytime. I gotta go bow it up with Steve Nash, the only other NBA survivor.
Well, thank you, partner. We now know that the equation is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. But how do we put that into an equation?
I don't even know what you're talking about. I gotta go. The two continued their journey into southern Greece. After they had roamed the countryside, not yielding any prisoners in their search, they decided to try their luck in the cities. The first city that they settled upon was Athens. Oh, well, after the two roamed the streets of Athens for quite some time, they nearly gave up hope. However, on their way out of the city, they saw a vague figure that looked almost human-like in the distance.
Oh my God, it's the old Spud man. Maybe he can help us with solving the quadratic equation.
Of course I can. I invented it. Let me give you an easy example. Take the equation y equals 2x squared plus x minus 1. A equals 2, b equals 1, and c equals negative 1. You take these and plug them into the equation, which you already know, giving you x equals negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 minus 4 times 2 times negative 1 all over 4. After solving this all, you are left with negative 1 plus or minus 3 divided by 4. You solve it either way with the plus and the minus, and you will find that your answers are x equals 0.5 or x equals 2. Now you can be on your way. I've done enough teaching.
I had the misfortune of telling you our two heroes died. Just kidding. Our two heroes found the quadratic formula, which was x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Using this quadratic formula, they were able to cure the zombie apocalypse. Our two created the serum that would cure the zombie apocalypse using this quadratic formula. Peace ensued for many years after. Unfortunately, another apocalypse came around, and I'm sorry to report that there are no cures for nuclear bombs.